Hi, I'm Tammy. So I'm going to make a pomegranate cosmopolitan. I'm really excited about this because I'm super thirsty and I really want this drink. So this is going to be really easy. We're going to use vodka, 2 ounces. 1.5 ounce on that side, another 1/2 ounce on this side. We're going to use some orange liqueur, just a 1/2 ounce. And then I squeezed half of a lime, so we're going to go ahead and just add that in. I don't know why I put it into here. I really didn't need to, I guess because it was just in my hand. And then we're going to put some pomegranate juice in here. And that's about 2/3 of a cup. All right, so now we're going to shake it up. All right, so shake. And we're going to get this really cold. So just shake it until you don't want to hold it any longer. When your hands get super cold and it's unbearable, that's when you know that this is ready to go into your martini glass. Shake. All right, it's unbearable. My fingers started to freeze to the shaker. Yikes. All right, what I didn't tell you is after I squeezed the lime, I took the outside of the lime and I rubbed it around my martini glass, and then I just put my martini glass into some sugar, so I've got a sugar rim around it. All right, I did that because I wanted it to look pretty. All right, so we're just going to go ahead and pour this in. It should be pretty much exact. Yep, it is. And then I'm just going to take the rest of my lime. I just took the peel. Just going to kind of squeeze it around and garnish it with the lime peel. And that is it. Now I get to drink it. This is the best part. It's so good. This is so delicious. So I'm sure you've had a Cosmopolitan before. They're good. They're really good. But this pomegranate Cosmopolitan is fantastic. They're so delicious. And it's not too sweet. It's not too bitter. It's just perfect. It's got the perfect blend. Like, you're going to want to drink this all night, and then you're going to hit the floor. But it's super good. I hope you try it. Cheers.